Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the wonderful Portofino blue. Let's start our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we cascade down the side, the luxurious yet sporty dynamics continued as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening the powered tailgate, which can easily be done via the key as well, you'll see a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Within your boot, you will also be able to locate your two charging cables, one for domestic use and one for public fast charging. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their cloud and ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which alongside the Meridian surround sound system will ensure entertainment and comfort on any length of journey. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we now take a closer look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speedometer, your trip computer and your sat nav. Advancing over now to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, you'll also be able to access your EV vehicle modes, where you'll be able to set preconditioning, charging capability and your battery life. As we move down now into the second screen within your vehicle, which again is fully interactive, you'll be able to access your heated seat functions as well as climate control systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor and set to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems, as well as your hybrid modes and pure EV settings. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.